A silent revolution is sweeping across the world's cities. Diesel buses are disappearing, electric fleets are taking over, and two nations are leading the charge. Germany, the home of legendary engineering. China, the world's manufacturing powerhouse. Billions are being invested, entire transportation networks are being rebuilt, and the winner could shape urban mobility for decades to come. But this battle isn't as straightforward as it seems, because having the biggest fleet doesn't necessarily mean having the best system. So who is really leading the electric bus revolution? Let's find out. Introduction. Electric buses are rapidly transforming public transportation around the world. Governments are trying to reduce pollution, cut fuel costs, and meet climate goals. As cities become larger and populations grow, the need for cleaner transportation has never been greater. Among all countries leading this transition, Germany and China stand out as two of the most influential players. Germany brings decades of automotive engineering excellence, while China brings unmatched manufacturing scale and speed. Today, we'll compare Germany and China across every major aspect of electric buses, including technology, production, battery innovation, charging infrastructure, environmental impact, costs, government support, and future plans. By the end of this video, you'll know which country currently leads the electric bus revolution and which one might dominate the future. 1. The electric bus revolution. Before comparing Germany and China, let's understand why electric buses matter. Traditional diesel buses emit carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and harmful particles that contribute to climate change and air pollution. Electric buses offer several advantages: zero tailpipe emissions, lower operating costs, reduced noise pollution, better energy efficiency, improved urban air quality. 2. China's electric bus empire. If electric buses had a king, China would wear the crown. China began investing heavily in electric transportation more than a decade ago. Through massive government subsidies and industrial policies, it rapidly expanded production. Today, China operates hundreds of thousands of electric buses. In fact, many of the world's electric buses are located in China. Cities like Shenzhen became famous for converting their entire bus fleets to electric vehicles. What makes this achievement even more impressive is the speed. While many countries were still testing electric buses, China was already deploying them on a massive scale. This early start gave Chinese manufacturers a huge advantage. 3. Germany's approach to electric buses. Germany took a different path. Instead of focusing on speed alone, Germany emphasized precision engineering, reliability, and long-term performance. German manufacturers developed electric buses with advanced safety systems, premium components, and sophisticated software integration. The German strategy focuses on high-quality engineering, energy efficiency, advanced battery management, smart transportation integration, long service life. Although Germany's deployment numbers are smaller than China's, its electric buses are often considered among the most technologically advanced in the world. 4. Manufacturing power. Who builds more? This category isn't even close. China dominates global electric bus manufacturing. Chinese companies produce electric buses at enormous scale. Large manufacturers supply buses not only to Chinese cities but also to Europe, South America, Africa, and Asia. Mass production allows Chinese companies to reduce costs significantly. Germany, on the other hand, produces far fewer electric buses. German manufacturers focus more on quality and specialized engineering than sheer volume. When it comes to manufacturing scale, winner, China. The country has built an industrial ecosystem that can produce electric buses faster and cheaper than almost anyone else. 5. Battery technology battle. The battery is the heart of every electric bus. Without a good battery, range, performance, and reliability suffer. China has become a global leader in battery production. Chinese companies manufacture huge quantities of lithium-ion batteries and are investing heavily in next-generation technologies. Many Chinese electric buses use advanced battery systems designed for long daily operations. Germany, however, excels in battery management systems. German engineers focus on battery safety, thermal management, efficiency optimization, longevity. German buses often maximize performance from every kilowatt-hour of energy. China leads in battery production volume. Germany leads in engineering refinement. Tag winner. Tie. China dominates scale, while Germany shines in technological optimization. 6. Charging infrastructure. Electric buses need reliable charging networks. China has built one of the largest charging infrastructures on Earth. Many Chinese cities operate extensive charging depots capable of servicing thousands of buses. Fast charging technology is widely available. Government support accelerated deployment across urban areas. Germany also invests heavily in charging infrastructure but follows a more strategic and gradual rollout. German systems often emphasize smart grid integration, renewable energy usage, load balancing, energy management software. China wins in size. Germany excels in efficiency and integration. Winner, China. The scale of China's charging network is simply unmatched. 7. Cost comparison. Cost is one of the most important factors for cities purchasing electric buses. Chinese electric buses generally cost less. This is due to large-scale production, lower manufacturing costs, domestic battery supply chains, government support. German electric buses often have higher upfront prices because of premium engineering and advanced technologies. However, supporters argue that German buses can offer longer operational lifespans, higher reliability, lower maintenance over time. Still, for cities with limited budgets, Chinese buses often look more attractive. Winner, China. Lower purchase costs give China a major competitive advantage. 8. Engineering and build quality. This is where Germany shines. German engineering has earned a global reputation over decades. German electric buses often feature premium construction, advanced safety systems, high-quality materials, sophisticated software integration, exceptional reliability. Manufacturers focus heavily on long-term durability. Chinese buses have improved dramatically in recent years and continue closing the gap. However, when discussing engineering prestige and build quality, Germany remains a benchmark. Winner, Germany. Precision engineering remains Germany's strongest weapon. 9. Environmental impact. Both countries claim electric buses support sustainability. However, the environmental impact depends on how electricity is generated. China still relies significantly on coal power in some regions. This can reduce some environmental benefits. Germany has invested heavily in renewable energy sources such as wind power, solar energy, hydroelectric power. As renewable energy usage increases, electric buses become even cleaner. Germany's integration of green energy gives it an advantage. Winner, Germany. Cleaner electricity strengthens the environmental benefits of German electric transportation. Final verdict. Who wins? After comparing every major category, here's the result. China wins. Manufacturing scale, production capacity, charging infrastructure, cost efficiency, global exports, government support. Germany wins. Engineering quality, environmental integration, build quality, tie, battery technology, smart city integration. Conclusion. The electric bus revolution is already happening, and both Germany and China are shaping its future. China has become the undisputed leader in scale, production, and deployment. It has proven that electric buses can be adopted on a massive national level. Germany, meanwhile, demonstrates what is possible when world-class engineering meets sustainable transportation. One country dominates through volume and speed. The other leads through precision and innovation. But perhaps the real winner isn't Germany or China. It's the future of clean transportation itself. As electric buses replace diesel fleets around the world, cities become quieter, cleaner, and more sustainable for generations to come. So what do you think? Would you rather ride a German-engineered electric bus or a Chinese-built electric bus? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology battles, transportation innovations, and future mobility stories.